How to succeed and crush it in affiliate marketing part 2. If you come across this video, then you are somebody who has been looking or doing some research to become an affiliate marketer, true or true. For you to succeed and crush it in affiliate marketing, you have to have the right mindset. Affiliate marketing involves selling clickbank products, JB Zoo, Amazon products, CPA products. Don't believe the hype that will stop you, or that is telling you that people come online and they make quick money. You have to put in the work. You have to love what you are doing. And to take it from where we ended last time, I'm just going to do a refresh of what I said last time. That in part 1, you have to love what you are doing and be passionate about what you are doing. You have to have the mindset that you need to learn what you need to do. The next thing is learn from other successful leaders and model after them. Master what you are selling. If you are selling the wrong thing, or if you don't even know what you are promoting, that will be a difficult thing for you to do. Be consistent in what you are doing. Whether you are promoting whatever product you are promoting, whether you are doing on brick and mortar, be consistent. Consistency is key. And then the last thing I said last time was create a marketing plan. So today I'm going to pick up from where we ended last time. Build your own brand. Be creative with your marketing. People want to see you make mistakes. People want to see that you are real. People want to relate with you. Don't be that perfect. Don't learn and think that, oh, when I come online, I have to be 100% perfect. Otherwise, people will not like what I'm doing. Don't think like that. Be yourself and create your own brand. The next thing is that the time is now, not later. Learn how the technology works. Those technophobes out there, get over that crap. You have to learn that times are changing and everything is going online. Affiliate marketing is the next thing. Learn the skills that you need. You need a laptop, you need a phone. Get those things and get with the program. Don't be left behind. The next thing that you have to do is build a strong team by referring other affiliate partners. Get into high level and medium level affiliate products. The super affiliate network is a high ticket product, and that's one of the things that I promote. You can click on the link below to learn more about the super affiliate network program. And with this, you can sell high ticket products, and you can make high commission. The next thing that you have to do is remain active and implement daily. Don't be lazy, don't be complacent. For example, when on another base, you have to exercise and eat nutritious. You have to eat nutritious food to get the energy to build the business that you are building now. If, let's say, you build a business and you don't have the energy, or you are sick and you can't enjoy the money, what's the point? Focus on making the money so that you can enjoy the money. It is a great thing to be free, but if you are free and you cannot enjoy the things that you want, then what good is that to that freedom? Get rid of some of the toxic behaviors that are holding people down. For example, like smoking, doing drugs and drinking, just drinking to the point of destroying themselves. So, thank you so much for watching this, and this is part 2 of what I did before, how to succeed and crush it in your affiliate business. I really appreciate you coming to this channel. Click on the subscription button, click on the like and heart, leave a comment. If you are an affiliate marketer and you are struggling to succeed online, ask questions. I will come and do another video to answer your question. Subscribe to the notification bell for you to know the next time I come, so you don't miss anything. I promote an affiliate product, as I said, and also some personal development stuff. Click on the link below to learn more about it. My name is Victorine, and thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you on the next video, which is coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Just a recap: build your own brand. The time to do affiliate marketing is now, not later. Build a strong team by referring other affiliate partners. Remain active and implement daily. Don't get lazy. And also, if you have the freedom, make use of your freedom and time. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now. Click on the link below to learn more. Thank you so much.